Today we'll be discussing on how to make your short intro over your TV, YouTube channel, your business, anything you are doing. So as you can see, the website we'll be going to is flipexpress.com. Flipexpress.com. Just come to your browser, Flip Express. Let's see, you can just go direct to Google. This is Flip Express. The only thing that can be a constraint on this website is because there are some paid version there, but we have a lot of things to do with free version. So what we have to do now is to get started for free. Just press on get started for free. So it will ask you to sign up. Or with your Google account. So it's preferable to use your Google account. You ask to sign with your Google account. Click on any of your Google accounts, or you can just anyone, or if you want to use another one, you know to do it. Just go there. So you can see the next thing is get free plan. We have already registered. So can you see? Welcome Mobisheson. That's my name. So they will be giving, see, rendering video minute is 2 minutes for free plan, but don't mind, that's just for stuff like that. So those are the plans we have. You can see we have free plans template, intro, slideshow, promo, but what we are after is free plans. So from free plan, each plans you will be seeing it on the, can you see it here? Free, can you see free plans? So I'll use one as a case study. Let's see, this first one that I did, the people that attract a lot of comments. So what I did is just I'll click on it. So can you see? Let me just hold this voice. So what I have to do now is to just customize now. I'll click on customize now. This template required, what's it called, photo. So I have to upload an image. So I'll just go to my gallery. Let's I just selected this. So then I'll click done. So ask me, do I want to remove it or crop it? I'll just click on proceed. So it will load automatically. So I'll click on next. So if I have anything to type, any text, let me just type it here. Shey concept. Can you see it? Next to it, I'll submit order. Not that I'll create preview. Submit order. You can add music, but it takes long. Music give us some kind of issue. Can you add audio? You can choose any of the music. Play it. So that's that. After that, submit your order. It will ask you this final question. You have to click on yes, place order, not make a preview. So you'll be directed to this page. What you have to do is just scroll down, view my orders. You have to view your orders. So it will be loading. Can you see now? This thing is under processing. So what I have to do now, let's just refresh. Just have to refresh our page. Can you see? You click on it. So you play. Can you see stuff like this? Can you see? So what we have to do now is just to download. We have some dots. Zoom your browser. We have these 3 dots. Click on it and click download. Your video will automatically download. So if you want to do any other version as well, that's why we are going to do it. Let's say for instance, you still want to do another one. You can come back home. You are already logged in. Since you already registered, click on free to ask you different templates, to ask you Let's go. Click on these automated templates. So we are free. We are searching for free templates. Let's say we want this again. You click on it. Customize now. Click on customize now. You click on it. The network is somehow. You click on it to show. It's loading. And so it requires an image as well. Select any image. I'm going to select this again. Done. So I'll click on proceed, just like the way I did the previous one. So it will ask me to crop it if I want to crop it. If I have any size I want to crop out, but I'll click next. I'm not cropping. So main text, just add your text. Then the subtitle, just tag like giving meaningful visual. So we want to choose an audio, that is the play soundtrack. You click on soundtrack, listen first, and you choose. So when you are done, submit your order. Yes, please order, just like the way we did the first one. Just come down, scroll, view my orders. So it's loading. So you see it's under process. Cancel this, refresh the page just like the previous step. So refresh it. When you refresh it, our order will have been still under processing. Cancel it. Click preview. So you can play it, but I'll just show you how to download it. Can you see? Download it. Zoom it. Download. Can you see it's already downloading? So once it's downloaded, you check your video. Can you see now? You can check your video here. Can you see? Can you see? That's that. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day.